Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ZBook Firefly G11 laptop driver download. Okay, so open any browsers to type Google search box to like that. Okay, and go to this URL www.hp.com driver. This is officially website, so you can download driver all the HP product. Okay, then just right click to go new tab. This is your tab, choose the operating system. Which is you using Windows 10, so select this. If you are using Windows 11, and like that. Slow down. This is your BIOS. So guys, first thing, do not install all driver. This is not required for your system. Need to install only basic driver like audio, chipset, graphic, keyboard and network. If you have to like update to BIOS, so that time you install it. Okay, so extract audio, download it. Okay, I show you how to download and install like graphic card. Select to download, click on now download, it will start automatically. Like this is Bluetooth driver. Okay, you just click to download it, wait few seconds, it will start like that. Okay, already installation downloading pending. So if you want to install like you one drive install it, after you have to second drive install, so go to this back to click on here download more driver. After slow down, so audio driver only one there, so download it. 12 chipset, so try to install chipset, click to download. Okay, and then graphic card also, so try to AMD, NVIDIA also there, so you try to this one. Okay, you can see almost 1 GB plus size. Okay, this is web, so fingerprint driver, so download. Okay, and network, so you can see this is Wi-Fi driver, this is Bluetooth driver, so install it. Okay, and this is LAN driver. So if you click to download the here, and you can see here to download automatic, so just once downloaded setup file to click on one click, then give to access the yes, then next, accept, accept, then next. It will be installing in the background. You require driver or install it, you just restart your system and then check. If you are facing some issues related to downloading and installations of the driver, so comment me, I will give you solutions as soon as possible.